Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is a 6-day-old wash and go, Big Papa to be exact. A couple weeks ago I mentioned how I was interested in leave-in conditioner and gel combinations, or leave-in conditioner and styler combinations. Basically combinations that I can pair with my hair grease. So that's what I've been doing for the past couple weeks, and now we have a new leave-in conditioner and gel combo that we're going to try next wash day. So let's open up the package and see what we got. You can guess what this is before I even open it. Leave it down in the comment box and let me know that you got it. Bubble wrap. I love when bubble wrap is included. I saw one of my girlfriends over on TikTok with this first. I asked her, did she like it? She said yes. Ooh. Did you guess the Pattern Beauty Indigo Rain collection before I even opened it up? Let me know. Okay, so this is what we got. We picked up the packaging. Listen, you already know the packaging is what got me. This is so cute. Look at this blue, it's so pretty. Anyways, okay, so the Indigo Rain leave-in conditioner and the Indigo Rain Stronghold gel. The collection also comes with a custard, but I'm not really a custard person. A gel is more fitting for my routine and how I style my hair, so I didn't get the custard, but they did throw in a free little, custard packet. This is actually pretty big. So this is 1.75 fluid ounces of the Indigo Rain styling custard. So even though I didn't purchase the custard, we still get to try it out. Maybe I'll try it for a braid out or something like that. I don't know. Whichever way you think I should style my hair using this Indigo Rain styling custard, leave it down in the comment section. If you have the Indigo Rain styling custard, or if you were to purchase the Indigo Rain styling custard, how would you use it to style your hair? Let me know down in the comment section below so I can get some ideas on how I'm going to use this when we use it. But yeah, we did get a free sample with our purchase. So shout out to Pattern Beauty. Thank you for that. So we purchased the leave-in conditioner and the Stronghold gel. You already know how I'm going to layer this when I do style my hair. I'm very excited about next wash day, if you can't already tell. I'll leave the price breakdown on the screen in case anyone is interested in that portion of it. I was already signed up on the Pattern Beauty email list, so Pattern Beauty sends out emails and coupons pretty regularly. So when I made my purchase, I actually went through one of the links in my email. Now I was able to get a little discount. So you'll see the discount that was taken off. And I believe the styling custard is the same price as the Stronghold gels. As the conversation about celebrity stylists that comes out with hair care lines continue, we can't leave Pattern Beauty out of the conversation. Sacred came out with their styling collection, which is quite obviously geared towards heat styling. And the Indigo Rain collection that Pattern Beauty came out with, that's a great example of a styling collection for a curly girl. If a brand's coming out with a styling collection for a curly girl, I'm looking for a leave-in conditioner, I'm looking for a gel of some sort, I'm looking for a custard of some sort, and I'm looking for a foam or mousse of some sort, possibly an edge control, but that's neither here nor there. Those are stylers for a curly girl. And that's actually the easiest and fastest way for me to determine if a brand is for me or not. If you drop in line after line after line and you don't have leave-in conditioner, gel, foam, custard, anything of that nature, likely the line isn't for people that wear their hair like I wear my hair. And that's okay. I just want us all to be equipped with the information and knowledge that we need to make the best and most informed decisions for our personal selves. Pattern Beauty has their original line that they came out with. I think it's the yellow and black one. They also have the Palo Santo line, and then they have the Indigo Rain line. I believe all the Pattern products are the same formula, just different scents. I do have the original Pattern Curl Mousse as well. I really like the way it makes my hair feel, but it's not strong enough for me to do a wash and go with. It's not strong enough for me to do a one product wash and go with. If I can't use a foam for a one product wash and go, it likely won't make it into my list of foams that I talk about regularly. And when determining if a foam is going to be a repeat buy for me, the most important thing is, can I use it for a one product wash and go? If I can't use a foam for a one product wash and go, it likely won't make it into. This is what a styling line would look like for a curly hair person. Leave-in conditioner, Stronghold gel, custard, and a styling foam of some sort. Any brands that run across this video, if you're looking to make a styling line for some curly girls, this is what you need. If you're feeling generous, give us a nice, gentle, clarifying shampoo, a moisturizing shampoo, and a deep conditioning mask. And next wash day, we're going to style using our Pattern Beauty Indigo Rain collection. Let's just go ahead and give it a smell because, I mean, with a name like Indigo Rain, right? I love the packaging. We need to go rearrange our shelf. Oh, it's sealed. Okay. No, I'm not gonna unseal that now. We'll open the leave-in conditioner. Let's smell this. And the Pattern products are sealed. I love the color. Ooh. Okay. Okay, so definitely, it definitely gives that after rain, clean, fresh sort of, yeah, you know what I'm talking about. Smells good, it smells lovely. Let's go make space on the shelf for our new Indigo Rain. Pattern Beauty, if you see this video, I'm making space for you. Please, make space for me in your life as well. Email in the bio. Out with the old, in with the new. The first thing we're gonna do is take everything off the shelf. I'm going to use some Totally Awesome with bleach. I like to clean with bleach. Spray everything down. Spray and wipe, spray and wipe. Let's start putting our products back on. I'm not going to lie, no shade, no tea. Due to the conditions of the world, black on brands on the top, everybody else. Obviously, this looks amazing. Let me just don't look amazing on my shelf. Okay, and we need another black on brand as a partner here. We're gonna go with Camille Rose. Go ahead and put Camille Rose next to Pattern Beauty. Pink, 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 blue, white. Or should I do white, pink, pink, blue? No, this gotta be on the front side. I'll have to switch that, and that's not an option for me, so it has to stay like this. Okay, so this shelf we're going to go in with some cleansing product. New favorite shampoo. And again, no shade, no tea. This is another combination that I'll be trying with hair grease soon. Since I enjoyed the leave-in conditioner, y'all know I like sets, so if I have a leave-in conditioner from a brand that I like to find a styler as well. So I'm going to try to pair my hair grease with this Mayel Pomegranate and Honey Custard and the leave-in conditioner and see how that goes. Okay, and here is our newly arranged shopping shelf. What do you think? I love it. It makes me happy. As you can see, I like sets. I like things that at least come in twos. Don't give me a good shampoo and not give me a good deep conditioning mask. Or don't give me a good leave-in and not give me a good styler to go with it. Or vice versa. This makes me happy. I can't wait to wash my hair tomorrow. Simple pleasures for me. Very simple pleasures. We have our shelf all cleaned off and nicely rearranged. I know I can't be the only one that gets this excited when I get new hair stuff. Shout out to Pattern Beauty and Tracee Ellis Ross for specifically creating products for our hair. Again, can't stress how awesome that is for us to have someone like Tracee Ellis Ross coming together with a team of professionals to curate something specifically for our hair. Shout out to the few who really pour into us. Let's talk about the upcoming hair grease combination so you'll know what's coming down the pipeline. We'll be styling with Pattern Beauty Indigo Rain collection. We're going to use their leave-in conditioner and stronghold gel. After that, we'll be trying the Camille Rose Curl Love Moisture Milk leave-in and pairing that with the... Now, I've used the Camille Rose Curl Maker a couple times before. This isn't my first rodeo with the Camille Rose Curl Maker, and every time I've used it, I've gotten flakes. So... I don't know if the outcome is going to be different this time, but I've never used the Camille Rose Curl Maker with the Curl Love Moisture Milk. I've never used those two together, so We're going to try that with our hair grease in the middle. And then we're also going to try the Mielle Pomegranate and Honey Leave-In Conditioner and the Mielle Pomegranate and Honey Coil Custard. We're going to try those two. So those are our combinations that we're going to try with the hair grease over the next couple weeks. Again, I just want options. I'm a girl that likes options. My favorite combination right now is the Dear Mama and Big Papa, but I need more than just the Dear Mama and Big Papa. As a person that likes options, I just need more. So that's what's coming down the pipeline for the upcoming wash days. Okay, girlfriends, thanks for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed today's video, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next wash day.